Hey friends, if you wish to enable multitasking settings on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure, sorry. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to multitasking. Now the first option for multitasking is snap windows. Okay, so these have multiple sub options below it, like show snap layouts when I drag a window to the top of my screen, and when I snap a window, search suggest what I can snap next to it, and show snap layouts when I hover over a Windows maximize button. Let me show you. It will show snap layouts here. Okay, you can select this one and it will divide your system into two, so you can choose accordingly, but I usually keep all of these open because there's no harm in it. You won't specifically uh, click on something unless you want to snap your screen, or if you unless you specifically want that function. Now there is an alt plus tab menu. Press alt plus tab and you'll notice it. Okay, we have this option here in which you can choose a number of tabs that will show when you press the alt plus tab or snap menu. And then we have this option for desktops here, which says on the taskbar show all the open windows, only the ones on the desktop that you're using, or on each and every desktop. So what does it mean? This is in the case that you're using multiple monitors. And there's also another option, and I usually keep it on: title bar window shake. Just watch what happens. I'll shake my window like this, and all other windows behind it will be minimized. It will also be minimized, but not completely. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.